Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted projects in Asana. If you've accidentally deleted a project or need to restore one that was removed, Asana makes it straightforward to bring it back. Let's walk through the recovery process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the top bar of your Asana workspace and click on Search. This is your gateway to finding any content within your workspace, including items that have been deleted. The search function is more powerful than you might think, especially when you need to locate something that's no longer visible in your regular project lists. Once you've clicked on Search, look for the funnel-like icon labeled Show Advanced Search and click on it. This opens up a more detailed search interface that allows you to filter results based on specific criteria. The advanced search feature is essential here because it lets you narrow down exactly what you're looking for rather than sifting through everything in your workspace. Now you'll see several drop-down menus. Click the one labeled Type and select Project from the options. This tells Asana that you're specifically looking for projects rather than tasks, conversations, or other items. Next, click the drop-down labeled Status and select Deleted. This is the crucial filter that will show you only projects that have been removed from your workspace. Without this filter, you'd only see active projects. After setting both filters, click the blue Search button located at the bottom right of the Advanced Search panel. Asana will now display a list of all deleted projects that match your criteria. This list shows every project that's been removed but is still recoverable from your workspace. Browse through the search results to find the specific project you want to restore. Once you've located it, click on the project's name. This opens the Detail View panel on the right side of your screen, where you can see information about the deleted project and access restoration options. Inside this detail panel, you'll see a button labeled Restore Project. Click this button and Asana will immediately restore the project back to its original location within your workspace. The project will reappear with all its tasks, sections, and settings intact, exactly as it was before deletion, and that's it. Your deleted project is now fully recovered and accessible again in your workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.